What's up, man? We back with another video. What's up, y'all? What's up to all my hustlers out there? And today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys a couple different ways you guys can bring some passive income, you know, an extra 150, 100, 200. It really doesn't matter how much it is, but income coming in, man, this can help everybody, man. So before we even get into the video, I want to tell you guys to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. This will really help me out to hit the algorithm, man, reach more people, help out more people, and this will also be helping you by receiving the knowledge you guys need, man, to become successful. So before we even start this video, I want to tell you guys like how I came up and, man, how my life was going before I even entered this journey of trying to get passive income and entrepreneurship. So growing up personally in a single mother household, man, we didn't really have money. I couldn't really get the things that I wanted to get, man. And I always used to see older people, you know, with money. You see them on TV all the time, celebrities, Bill Gates, really just rich people out there, man. They successful, man. I always wanted to be successful. I just didn't know how I was gonna do it, man. And the main things I was thinking about doing growing up was, you know, what every kid dream of, man. I was thinking about, man, going to the NFL, playing basketball. Those were the only two ways I really knew how to make it, man. And I know I tried a few things out, and turns out, man, I'm not very good at sports, man. It's not really my thing, you know. Things for everybody, man. There's something for everybody, but that's not really my thing, man. I didn't know what I was gonna do in my future. And one day I Googled how rich people make money. And ever since I Googled that, man, it changed my whole mindset and how I think about money and what I need to do to become successful. And I see rich people, they invest in real estate, stocks, man, businesses. They have all that type of stuff, man. I didn't really know how to get started. But the main thing that changed my mind and really shaped my mind on how rich people are rich and how they stay to where they are is passive income, man. Passive income, that's really the key to it. Rich people make money while they sleep. And if you want to get to that point, man, just listen up. I'm gonna tell you a few ways you guys can get started by bringing in passive income every month, man, so you can take some of that weight, the bills, whatever you got to deal with, whatever responsibilities you got, to take it off your back, man. So the first way to make passive income this year, 2021, everything still works. The first way you guys can make money, passive income, man, is a vending machine business, man. And I know you guys walking down the street, man, you go in the store, you see a vending machine, man, and you might be hungry and you might buy something. It might be some chips, some soda, man. That's usually the type of vending machine you've seen. But this vending machine that I'm gonna give you guys is really the best way to make money right now in terms of vending machines, snacks, drinks, all that stuff, man. You can still make money off this, but me personally, this is the best way for low expenses, product costs, and high return, man. And what exactly would I be putting in these vending machines? I will be putting in masks, man. You could buy a pack of masks, 150 of them, for about $10. You put them in a vending machine, sell it for $2 each. Each mask costs $2. You have 150. That's $300 with $10 product cost, man. That's pretty good if I say so myself. And I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how to get into and how to really start your vending machine business. First, what you guys need to do is find a place, man. Find a place, man. It might be from personal experience, what you've seen, what your friends have told you about. Find a place where this vending machine will really do good at, man. So my ideas I got for y'all is you could put a vending machine in a mall, any public place that a lot of people are going. Some people are forgetting masks and they need to buy a mask to protect themselves from the virus and stuff. So that's the number one thing you guys need to find, a good location. Because if you get a bad location, man, there was no point in even starting, man. Research where you guys are going to put this vending machine and how exactly you guys are going to make money with it. And once you find a place, you need to find the owner. The different couple ways you can negotiate with the owner based on what you're going to be getting, what they're going to be getting. There's always certain things you can say to the owner, man. And I'm not really a professional in that. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys. You guys can check out these YouTubers. They're very successful in this business, and they can teach you guys a couple of things they do, a couple of tricks, a couple of things they do for you guys to be successful in this. Now, what you guys got to do is go about finding your vending machine, man. This should be the last step. So You guys want to make sure you guys have your product that you're planning on selling, a place, and you guys need to talk to the business owner which you'll be placing your vending machine in. I'm gonna try to make this as low cost as possible for you guys. So you really don't want to go out buy a brand new vending machine just starting off. It's really no point. They work the same as a used one. So places that I would find a used vending machine, cheap vending machines, are eBay, OfferUp, Craigslist, any local selling app platform that you guys can sell and buy things. I would look for one on there. I've seen a couple good offers on vending machines, lowest as probably $500 to $700. You guys, you'll be making more in your investment into the vending machine with all the revenue that and passive income that you guys are going to be bringing in from this business. So I would check on those places, man. Check if you guys can find a cheap deal, man. If you got to, man, I'm not endorsing this, but low ball if you guys have to, man. You guys have to, man. I'm not personally a low baller, man, but if you guys have to get a vending machine, low ball, see if you guys can get a good deal on a vending machine, because most likely the person that's selling it is not using it at all. So they really just trying to get off their hands. You guys can see what you guys need to do. The second avenue or way I'm gonna tell you guys how to make money with a passive income coming in, man, is ATMs. Now I know you guys use ATMs, man. You might need cash, man. Do whatever you do, need to buy something, need to sell something, but you need cash, man. Everybody needs cash in this country. Whatever country you in, every place has cash, man. So ATMs, those are a good way you guys can start making money. And really, an ATM is very similar to a vending machine. I will find one on eBay, Craigslist, OfferUp, and check the prices on them. I know they're a little bit higher than vending machines. They might cost you $1,000, $1,500 in some cases. But make sure the ATM is working, it's in good condition. Make sure it don't look dusty, man. Don't get no dusty ATM, because I promise you, nobody is going to pull money out of that thing, man. That thing just looks suspicious. Who in their right mind gonna pull money out of a suspicious ATM?
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Man, don't do that, man. Make sure you guys get a good looking ATM, man. It don't have to be too expensive, but make sure it look good, man. Presentation is everything when it comes to ATMs. And also make sure you guys get a good location. Like I said, it's very similar to vending machines. So make sure you guys find a good location. Location that I would recommend to you is like barbershops, maybe nail salons, different places where people need to pull out cash at. And barbershops is really the #1 way, because you know, you go get a haircut and you usually pay in cash, man, depending on what barbershop you're going to. I don't know if you guys going to Supercuts or wherever, local barbershop, but usually you pay in cash, man. I would go ahead and talk to a barbershop owner, negotiate with him, see if you can get your ATM into his business, give him a certain percentage of that. If you guys have been taxed by a high ass ATM, man, the price is high, man. I remember the other day I tried to pull some money out of ATM and they charged me $3 to pull out 15, man. That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen, but I know the person on the other side was making my money. So $3 per person that pulls out your ATM, you guys are gonna be making a lot of money. And $3, depending on person to person, it's not really too much. So people don't really mind spending that $3 to get their money out quick, fast, in a hurry. So for the third way, there's multiple different businesses you guys can do, but they all pretty much run kind of the same. So the first one I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about is gas stations, man. I know everybody and their mama has been to a gas station before. Even if you have an electric vehicle, man, you might want to go in a gas station, get you some snacks, get you something. Gas stations is really a good way to make money passively, man. You don't even have to be there for certain gas stations. Now for these businesses, you guys obviously can't really do this self-employed unless you have the time to do it. And me personally, time is money, man. I don't have time to be sitting at a gas station. So what I would do is hire a few employees, man. Get your gas station running up. You guys should research how to start this business, man. Open you a LLC or corporation and really just buy a franchise of a gas station, man. You could buy a 7-Eleven, Circle K. Man, I don't even know how many gas stations there is, but the thing I'm telling y'all, you guys need to do your own research on this, man. If you don't do your own research and you hop into it blind, you're just going to be losing money and really just look at other people that have been doing it, man. That's how you learn. That's how you improve yourself. You learn from others, man. Another way, you guys, but laundromats, that might be the easiest way you guys can passively bring in money without really having to do anything. Like I said, you don't really need any employees for a laundromat specifically, just for the fact that it's kind of a self-running type of business. People bring in their change and they wash their clothes, man. It's pretty self-explanatory. Man, I will also research this. This is probably one of my favorite ones, just for the fact of how easy it can be to just open one up, guys. And the very last way of number 3 that you guys can open up like a passive income business is lending money. So there's a lot of gray area and a lot of bad things people think about lending money. They thinking they're not really gonna be getting their money back. People gonna try to play them. They're just gonna try to keep their money. And a lot of different ways you guys can go about avoiding this. There's different platforms you guys can loan money. I think there's platform where you can loan money in your local area with high interest rates. And what the interest rate is, that's really where you guys gonna be bringing your money in. The money that you invest is just going to build when they pay you back. So my knowledge is not really too spread out wide on this specific business, but I know a couple people that do it and they make a lot of money just by having money. Make sure when you guys do this, you guys are lending to trustful people. Run their credit. Do just certain things you can make sure the person is trustworthy. Now, you don't need a property or a business to do this. You can do this from the comfort of your own home, man. You can kick back and watch your money stack up doing this, man. And one big no-no, one big mistake that I would tell you guys if you guys are thinking about lending out money is never lend to your family. I don't care how bad you feel for them or whatever. Family and business, in my opinion, should never really be getting in between. If you want to lend money to your family, make sure you don't need it back, guys. If you want to lend money, make sure you don't lend your last dollars and you need it back to pay your rent or pay whatever, your car note, whatever. Don't lend money to your family, man. Only give money at the kindness of your heart if you really believe the person need it and they're going to do something good with the money that you are going to give them. So that's going to wrap up the video on different ideas you guys can do to bring in passive income. I know a lot of these ideas are pretty much guaranteed to bring you guys in money every month, just on the basis of supply and demand. People need these things, people want these things, and overall, when you have that formula, you are just going to be bringing in profit. So I recommend you guys to save up, or even if you have the money already, invest into one of these little businesses that can start bringing you in passive income every month. Whatever you guys need money for, these passive income ways can help you guys out. If you stayed to the end of the video, I want to thank you guys, man. You a real one for staying to the end of the video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, man, for the last time, man. I'm having fun doing this YouTube thing, man. I really get to share what I know and what I've learned with you guys. So thank you for viewing my vision. We out.